I'm going to cuss over my little shoes and that you're not going to diss me and my husband and put up cash up to buy shoes for birthday. Anytime I go back to London, I'm going to give you a tour of my designer shoes. We're in a box. Women that people and put foot in a coming, I have no time for them to come out and jump and chip.
Make like sure a money kitty full of the hair. Can you not get another pose off for that boy? Remember me telling that.
But do remember them make story all day long, so you don't know when none are blood.
See me, I tell them, I give them a war on the internet, but boy and what to get. You hear that? And if you go buckle in a real life, you go in war about buckle again, you hear?
Yeah, man, enough for it, man. And then I the cheap all. Stop cause.
Take back a life with my buckle at me, man, you see. Oh, grim me is, you hear? I'm gonna get your portfolio in a big idiot, girl, you hear that? You know that.
Yeah, well, we have the Homer Pan of the
first and foremost, you don't have nothing about clothes. Or anybody want clothes, come over your page. Come over your page, you get any if you go post yourself, kind of look, come here, come fix up yourself.
Yeah.
Come do up.
Come do up your body, girl.
And then you can talk, and you can't chat right now, you know. That me tell you.
Your heart break, man.
You can't talk if you ever come on this and chat, you see. If you ever come over yourself, because I know them are at the already, because Queen call your name, but me not.
And that's why I call her. You know. Me not make trouble with her, no, when I make trouble with me, you know. I mean, I get up and trouble. When not trouble me, but you call the next 10. Give me some of that. With more class, you know, that to blood. Me not have no visa for America. So when I come to America, come jump like a chick man thing. And when me say, I say, who is she? Do I know her? She look familiar. And just Queenie and double tap for my next object. I'm going to take care of myself. Having
big dirty girl, me not calling him though. But so keen piece of your mother again, you know. That me have to tell you if you ever think about take life with my wife name or take life with my name.
She might show you because she want the attention.
If you're bad, me I dare you to do that. Now why you take not do? No, we call it TikTok live, mother.
Okay. Best up on a nice self. Alright, you get black.
I mean, you run that suck your mother. Come
on. Them say suck your mother do it.
Go suck your piece of your mother too.
Go suck your grandfather, your grandmother, your great grandfather.
Buckler put them ancestors in a car. You go wake up them dead people.
Them man.
Flick go upscotch. Go do every mama. A matter of fact, go down a step in a fear one to bumble world. Go suck through your mama.
Come suck me.
Yeah. I'm telling you something. Me and nobody boy now go for no platform. You hear that? Because me and none of you know the same. You hear that? In a real life. Don't get it twisted. Me no war with boy with no know them gender. Me know my gender. Me is a man. I can't grow me ear and cut. You hear that? In a real life.
Cut that fuck. Move on a dirty. Queenie a crown, you know.
So,
find something new, man.
So if you think
so
me
I
go take for you, little girl over there. We have wear big jaws. Make a sad blood done.
Yes. Full stop. Better not grow up. Bad man active. Big up my true Ryan crazy. Love you, Queenie, love you too.
One thing I know, you know. My wife always say me great. I'm gonna know the use of myself. And on a big man level, I told him make me know say, you see that boy when my wife talk about me great. Cause I sit down and watch somebody libertize name both man and bum man. A matter of fact, one know him bumbuckler gender, but one guess them gender. You see me? And I saw me know say, cause me soon the number move when I sit down for my name for one straight. You hear that? And the numbers move. You hear that? But it not gonna move again because I not call phone name. And I not go on no platform. Go argue with no boy, no girl.
Sexy girl down there,
well, I know them gender. You see me? But you see that one day we get feet gender. Hey girl, you see I want to get piece of this hungry piece you can get at the rotten piece. You hear that? The piece will change. You get me where the waist come off and know that the cheese off. I'm not calling him like that big idiot girl. Because step through your mama again. You don't know. See, you can't put up herself on her Instagram or the bare people she put up. that I see she put up something over there about what? What she put up? But she have a place in music in dancehall. You have a place in dancehall. You have a place up in your mother man. But place in dancehall. You can't place nowhere in this. Bumbo take to your mama. Bad mo bad.
Beer badness back at that. Yeah. Stinking blood clot beauty bleam. Come sniff up. No, my arms smell good. Come just be there and put on perfume and deodorant. I have to wait till my arms sweaty and make it come lick it out. And put one piece of yam and some salt mackerel and yam it out underneath my arm. Dirty blood big boy. I haven't time to do anything. Why do it disrespecting me? Oh man, you sit on a draw allegation for look views. What do you mean by you never disrespect the man? That's something nice that you sit on and take up a next man picture without shirt and I say my husband. Hey, how cheeky it is. You see if God did still like man, trust me. A lot of these things gonna sit down and do. And sit down and look attention. Like duh. You think if people could have catch on that get up and do, thank God for social media, they want to get up on the top. But I want to come on for thank God for social media. Come in, thank God for it, you know. You notice me not discriminate social media. Everything you come on social media, that's a play now. And I got go on the highlight. Cause one time I have to hide. All on a bad man family and them stairs I'm black on. I'm back on. When I go certain place and I have to hold on the corner. Now I get too loose and too familiar. So I feel like when I can come in at the straight industry, I'm bellico straight man because you know the greatest buzz you know dirty scatty man is to get a straight man. That is in a right. When I sit down and I lost half of them, and I sit down and I make story, but beauty bling of all as a woman, when she have respect, sit down and post. Feel good about herself to justify so we should have did that. Oh man, right now if me say that it though, use the whole of my veneer and bite out your blood for them. And that mother do with you. You understand me? Bite out your titty nipple with them blood clot fake veneer and move your dog. The people them say your man left you. That's why you sign up with battle trouble for my husband. And you never one day come on internet come show people that can you make it look like you're perfect and because you talk nice and move your dirty blood. To bring your dirty woman name. Me not drink my and it's actually now. It's not trouble me. I'm here people at time. So that's for them business.
Not big Curtis Bumbuckler get the name for. I get a Bumbuckler here play.
Come bad.
But no Bumbuckler means if you call her name. What's up out there, mama?
I don't call it already.
Don't call it Bumbuckler.
Yeah.
None.
Damn rude man. When I really look on the tree, why would you look on our message? Just message do you know?
One thing
I may say, but that woman I really
tell you something, you see me? You can't make me see you in a real life. Because when me see you do, if you carry me down, you hear that? You go to the extent for me going to jail. Remember me tell you that?
oh yeah man.
You see, when you see me girl in a real life,
You're not going to see her.
bury yourself here.
You're not going to see her. God not going to make you see that. Ball, you know. A ball like an innocent girl, you're not innocent. You think me that get up now and somebody send me some dirt by somebody. I mean I have no proof. I mean take it, sell it out. You not value your dirty woman. You value yourself. Come with proof if you have that contents. You understand me? Look back on the picture where you post by your page and say, I'm my husband. Me know you're not blind. But you mix up your cantankerous and you're evil. So that's why I can't angle you and take it like one. The dirty dolly them, move your dirty blood, move booty, show them and then put the dirty dolly, the dirty dolly, and then just have the dirty dolly. And some of that whole dirty plus dirty woman. That's why you don't have no man. You know so much my God so I'm a pray and God still make me there so with my husband. You come ball. You know you're so ball in your damn do it. When me hear the woman ball, I say what a conniving, vicious. Eh? Why you never get one real picture? Everybody know do it. That makes sense, lady? That don't make no sense. You post a picture where it's not doing and I say do it, and then I say you have. Well, I have something from me. I hope O'Neal get him shoes. Your dirty blood clot. You know so much old dog shoes me have at Jamaica. The whole of them are designer. I may have a next set of old, but me and some people say, look how she do the shoes, and then they are material blood. That's why I throw them down. Because the sun and the dirt mash them up at Jamaica. I don't have no time to clean up them blood. And then I saw me wear cups. Relax.